you have an idea what is sultan is? Sultan is the leader of the kingdom or empire. Sino yung mga namumuno? Have you heard the word sorcerer? Do you have an idea what is sorcerer? Can you read? I read it all together. Sorcerer.
A person who uses magic.
Do you heard the carpet ride before?
No.
Ano bang mode of flying in this car? Ito yung flying car set. I want you to remember the things. Sit properly, be quiet, listen carefully, raise your hand before speaking. Kindly repeat all together.
Sit properly, be quiet, listen carefully, raise your hands before speaking.
The story we are about to read is Aladdin by Jennifer Rivers Wainwright. Once in a faraway, there was a princess named Yasmin. Her father, the Sultan, gave her everything she wished for. But Yasmin wanted to know what life was outside in the palace. What did Yasmin wanted to know? Yes, Stephanie?
Jasmine wanted to know what life was like outside the palace. She was curious about the world beyond the palace walls and wanted to experience it for herself.
Jasmine sneaked into the village and met a man named Aladdin. The two quickly became friends. Who Jasmine when sneaked into the village?
Aladdin,
Yes?
Aladdin teacher.
Aladdin fell in love with the princess and wanted to see her again. With the help of the genie, Aladdin visited Jasmine at the palace and took her on the amazing magic carpet on the right. Meanwhile, Jafar, an evil wizard, was trying to take over the kingdom. Jasmine, with the help of the Aladdin and the genie, foiled Jafar's big plan. Jasmine fell in love with the Aladdin and with the Sultan's blessings. The beautiful princess and the brave young man happily ever after. Lived happily ever after.
Jasmine and Aladdin live happy ever after.
This is our end of the story. And we will go back to the first question. What does it mean true to yourself? Yes, Stephanie.
Being true to yourself means staying honest about who you are, following your values and not pretending to be someone else's approval. In this story, Aladdin means to be true to himself when he realizes that he doesn't need to pretend to be a prince to win Jasmine's love.
And for the number 2, who wants to share their answer? Yes, I see.
Courage and honesty can change a person's life by helping them build stronger relationships, gain self-respect, and achieve their goals with integrity.
Thank you po. So, pa-flash po ng kan natin. Okay. Sige po. Thank you, ate. Comments? Franklin?
Then, sa sulat is maganda, kaya lang po, mas broad pa po dapat. Then, sa ano lang, yung is first letter lang po yung Then, observe ko din po yung sa pagsalita, napansin po kasi namin na bigla ka ng nagtatalado. Then, sa pagbabasa naman po, yung story, madali din medyo matanggal lang po eh. Kulang sa overall, yung dapat lang po, ay nagpunang po namin na
Okay. Next. Ay, ako ba? Uy, lang. Po, sa may motive, congrats po pala sa inyong demo at sa pag-conquer nyo po ng fear. Alam naman natin na kinakabahan tayong lahat pag nagsasalita sa harapan. And then, papunahin ko na rin po sa may sa may IMS nyo is dapat consistent po kayo sa paggamit ng colors. Katulad kulay puti, yung pan, and then naging pink. So, yun po, gawin natin. Katulad din po ng sinabi ni Franklin, yun po natin na broad yung paggamit. Kasi po yung ginamit nyo is fine marker na sinabi po ni ma'am is iwasan natin gamitin. And then, maganda po yung sulat nyo, bilog. Consistent yung pagkasulat nyo. Tapos, sa may motive question nyo po is dapat isa lang po. Yun po. Tapos, kung pupunayin nyo po sa may flow nyo po, ay sana po nating apurahin yung paggawa natin. Kung lang tayo, yung ma-deliver po natin kung ano yung dapat para madala po natin satisfaction po natin. So, yun lang po.